Hello and welcome to the next lesson of this course, Creation of Your Super URL. Here we will learn what the super URL is, how to create a super URL, and why do we need it. First of all, you should understand how Amazon's search engine works. If you give to someone a direct link to your listing, Amazon will see that and will understand that this is a promotion, because buyer doesn't look for this product, he just clicks on the direct link on the advertising. It makes no harm, but if Amazon will think that buyer was looking for this product in the search results, found it and bought it, Amazon would give to the sale much more value, and it immediately will influence on your BSR rank. Using super URL, we make Amazon think that buyer was looking for your product specifically and not just saw your advertising on the Facebook page. There are many ways to create a super URL. You can create it by yourself manually, or you can use some service. I will show you both how to create a super URL using the AMZ.1 service and how to create it manually for free. All you need is to sign in to this service and to make a couple of settings. After you sign up to AMZ.1, you should go to the keyword rank tracking tool and click Add Products button. There you just type the ASIN of your product and click the Add a Products button. Then click to the Super URLs tool in the left menu and Add Super URL button on the top menu. There you will see your products that you just added. You will have there only one record. I have a lot here. You click on your record and go to the settings of the super URL. The first thing you're gonna do is to come up with some address of your super URL. That address will be shown to your customers, so it should be short and contain your main keyword. There should be no spaces, dots, commas, or other restricted symbols. On the second tab, you have to add a keyword that will show to Amazon, telling that buyer types this keyword on search results. You can use many relevant keywords, and to have at least 3 or 4 keywords there is better than to have just only one. The third tab is just for information. There will be shown the ASIN of your product. That's it. Click on the Save button and done. Here you can copy that super URL. We will need it later. To create similar super URL manually without any additional paid services and fees, you should go to your listing and click on your brand after the phrase sold by. Then click on your storefront link. You will get to your storefront, and as you see, the search field will be looking only amount your own products. To see a super URL, you have to search your product using your main keyword in this field, and then just copy the URL of this page. This URL basically works the same way as made using AMZ.1 tool, but this super URL leads not to your listing directly. Your customers will see your product inside your storefront. So to get to the listing itself, they will have to click on this product. What kind of super URL to use, it's up to you. Okay, now we are ready for the next step. Next big step, settings in Messenger, Facebook Messenger. Since all the communication will be inside Facebook Messenger, this is the most important part. See you in the next lesson.